Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. So, what we're going to do is instead of answering all the questions of the exam two exam, we're just going to look at just the first question, just to try to streamline this a little. So, the first question says this. Let me open that up. The level we want to have a fixed calculation with the um, um, first answer. So what we have to do is right now I have the exam 2 opened. So I'm going to open up um, Tableau, another Tableau instance as soon as it gets that up and running. And once we have that open, we actually have to open the file associated with the NBA reference stats. And we got that put in. And then to get the stats that we want, we'd have to go here to create a new worksheet, right? Actually, there is already a worksheet there, and these are the CVS stats that we need. So if we look at the data, um, there we go. If we look at the data, this is the sheet. So what we did before was we took the average of fixed games by we took it the average of away games. So we're gonna change that around. So we're gonna find the games, or at least create a calculation. And to create a calculation, we'd have to just right click in this area and then create calculated field. And then we could call this, again, this was the answer. It's games, fixed games divided by average games play away. Let's change it now to uh, games at home. We still take this calculated field, just adjust it so that, oops, there we go. Adjust it so that it's instead of away from home play, it would be some close to play or something. So let's take this out and put in play, or let's just say, let's see if we can. What's another expression? Say let's play. So we did away from. So let's say it's a. What's the? Let's just use the too many technical player plows, and then that's actually a valid calculation. So we click OK, and there's a problem with the data source. Huh. So let's do this. Let's take, where is games at home? This should be renamed so that we can spot it better. So fixed calculation. Calculation. Now, the stats we were trying to get is supposed to be wrong field. So we have to change the field. It's not referencing properly. So instead of it being technical fouls, it should be defensive 3 seconds. Let's see if that works. It's a valid calculation and see if it's associated works, and it's still not working. So we have to remove this and then remove this again, or actually open. See, there's something wrong. We should add the data. Trying to figure out how we had the data added before. I thought we just added by opening it up. Let's look at this table. So to connect, we just add. Okay, so it's under new data source. So if we go back to the book 2, it's a clipboard. Oh, that's why. We don't want it as a clipboard. We want it as a data source. This one. And there we go. This should be removed. Why is it called the clipboard? The connections. Huh. Let's go back. We have to add connections. Let's do that. Let's close this and see if we can add connections that way. So remove these again, if we can. Let's just say new data source. New data source. And then CVS. Yeah. So the way we connected it was wrong. So let's just do this over. Let's just say no. We're gonna open up another Tableau. So we had an error with the data source. So the data source wasn't connected properly. so that's why we're kind of starting over. So we have a new book, and we want to just start new. And then we wanted to add the data source. Okay, so I guess we have to do this on another time because the data source was not properly introduced. Okay, thank you very much. I guess there's a lot more things I need to accomplish to get this finished. Okay, and we're just gonna count down the seconds to end it in 5. Let's add you as a single. You count down the seconds to end it. So we're gonna count down in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and we're gonna end it. Thank you.